Dog. The dog lives at home. Cat. The cat likes to drink milk. The cat has soft fur. Mouse. The mouse eats cheese. The mouse has a long tail. The mouse is a rodent. Canary. The male canary sings. The canary is usually yellow. The canary eats seeds. Rabbit. The rabbit is very fast. The rabbit eats carrots. The rabbit has 2 long ears. Snail. The snail moves slowly. The snail has a shell that protects it. The snail has 2 antennas that guide it. Iguana. The iguana is green. The iguana lives in humid places. The iguana lives in the trees. The parrot is a very intellectual bird. The parrot can imitate a human's voice. The parrot is green. Frog. The frog moves by jumping. The frog has sticky skin. The frog lives in humid climates. The turtle has a very hard shell. The turtle moves very slowly. The turtle eats vegetables. Turtle.